Good evening, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Palvi Tripathi. I am from Balrampur. I am pursuing graduation from Shakti Smarak College. About my extra qualification, I am pursuing spoken English from Balansa Institute. My hobbies are reading book, playing cricket, and so on. My mission of life: become a successful and good person. Today is Saturday. Saturday is presentation day, and my presentation topic is UP. And I think all students know UP is very most popular state in India, and UP state one state of India, and UP state is UP. Present time UP Chief Minister name is Mr. Yogi Adityanath, and UP about 76 district present in UP like Balrampur, Gonda, and so on. But I like Balrampur. Balrampur is a small city, and it's a very good city, and I live in Balrampur. So, one university present in Balrampur and one government college present in Balrampur. Like name is MLK PG College, and MLK PG College is most popular college in Balrampur. And not a come Balrampur student come in MLK College, and I think other district come in student come MLK College. And there is no need to tell. UP is a very most popular state in India, and 55 university present in UP, and 76 district present in UP. Many types of historical place present in UP like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Allahabad, and so on. And most popular temple present in UP name is Ram Janmabhoomi, Krishna Janmabhoomi, Kashi Vishwanath, and so on. And there is no need to tell. Ayodhya is a very famous place present in UP, and the recent past made Ayodhya than Ram Janmabhoomi, and so on. And many types of, and about 30 river flow in UP, and name is Ganga, Jamuna, and so on. But the popular river in Ganga, because Ganga is very good river in UP, and in this time Allahabad Mahakumbh fair, and all countries, and I think India's all person come in Prayagraj, and travel to Kumbh and see the Mahakumbh fair. Or in this time there is no need to tell. Mahakumbh fair is important for the Hindu and Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and all type people going Mahakumbh, and so on. And many types of freedom fighter flow in UP. Their name is Ram Prasad Bismil and Chandrasekhar Raja, and so on. Not a freedom fighter flow in India, and I think all types of freedom fighter flow in India like Mangal Pandey, Lakshmi Bai, and there is no need to tell who is Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai is a very strict girls, and it's a region of girls, and most kill the all person. So thank you.
Keep it up.
And the freedom fighter, the many type of freedom fighter home in UP like Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Chandrasekhar Azad, and so on. And Ram Prasad Bismil home is Balia district, and Balia district many types of people flow in Balia district, and so on. And Allahabad University is very oldest university in UP, and is a very most popular university, and all types of students come in Allahabad University and study, and many types of study material in UP like a library, university, and so on. And I think till now as a till now as no mafia, and you know the result passed UP second name is mafia, but the chief minister come Yogi Adityanath and name is changed. Thus UP second name is Ayodhya Nagari, and I think all people know Ayodhya Nagari is very important in UP, and second name is Ayodhya Nagari. And recent past coming chief minister and all mafia is going and all mafia is going and example mafia name is changed and Ram Nagari name is in this time. So thank you.